Visual thinking. What exactly is visual thinking? It's just a way in which when you guys are thinking, or when you guys are, in fact, even when you're reading or you hear something, there are some visuals that come to your head. In your head, you try to just imagine, or you guys put your thoughts together as to what is the other person trying to say. So it is basically a way in which we organize our thoughts, and it improves our ability to think and communicate, because if you have made up an image in your head, you would be able to communicate it better, and it whatever complex or confusing information it may be, it just puts your thoughts together clearly. So, and how do we develop that visual thinking? It is basically, if we try to figure out what visual thinking is all about, we like something, we try to understand what we like, and then we try to actually just break it down, and we see what is it that was really good about in that visual. Or for that matter, if you come across a person and you see somebody on the street, or maybe your office, your college, wherever, you see somebody who's like very well dressed, you try to figure out what is it that you like in that person, the way the clothes that person is wearing, or the way the body language, what is it? You try to understand, and you try to figure out, comprehend what is it that you like, and then it stays in your head. So visual thinking, if you break it down and you try to understand what it is all about, it is basically, it appeals you, you try to understand it, and it just stays in your head forever. And that is very, very evident when you see ads. You like some ad, and you try to understand what is the message that you're trying to give you in that ad, and it just stays with you for life. So if you break it down, that is visual thinking all about. Moving on to the next slide. Yeah. So if you think about visual thinking, it's appeal, comprehension, and retention. Appeal, basically what you like or you don't. Comprehension, visual, was easy to understand. Retention, we like it and we understand it. We will get it retained in our head forever.